Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Glenn Kellaway from the basement. I just finished recording a video on my ranking my top 10 country rock albums. I'm just ready to upload it, and the doorbell rings, and a package arrived. And screw the country rock video. I'm not uploading it for a couple of days. I got to talk about something that just arrived. I've been so excited waiting for this. First of all, I showed this on a video I did in Florida that I picked up the new reissue of Waiting for Columbus, Little Feat Live. This is one of the great live albums of all time. And this, I'm sure you've seen other people show it. There's the hype sticker. One of the greatest live albums of all time. Brand new, cut from the original master tapes by Bernie Grundman, featuring some incredible performances by Little Feat. This was recorded live in 1977, I believe. If you want all the details in the history, some comparisons to other original issues and MoFi issues, I strongly urge you to check out two channels. Norman Maslov's. Mazzy did an incredible shootout of his three albums, the original record and the MoFi and the reissue. My friend Erwin from Taste the Dirt Between Your Ears. Check out his channel. He's only got like about 20 subs, but he's fantastic. He did a great review of this album and talked a lot about the history and the background of it. So if you're interested, check those two channels out. So I have been playing this nonstop since I got home. It sounds great. Some people say that it's a bit bright. I kind of agree, but not a detriment. I mean, it's just a beautiful sounding record. The only thing I have to compare it to is the reissue they did when they, I think 2002, they reissued the complete performances on a double CD. Before that, they put out this cheesy CD and had to cut a couple of the songs out and cut the tracks and I think in the order and everything. It was a mess, but they did do a better job on the reissued CD. But now, this shows up this morning. Once I had the album, I had to have this. And if you go on the Hoffman forums and you read about this album, people are just raving about this. Raving. It is the box set, 8 CDs of Little Feat Live, Waiting for Columbus. I haven't opened it yet. It arrived 2 minutes ago. So let's try and get into this. See if I'm strong enough to break open the plastic. Yes, I am. Oh, this is so good. I just ripped the hype sticker. I usually keep the hype stickers. Okay. Nice heavy box. I love the packaging. It's great. Look at. That's very cool. As we have here, I will hold it up so you can see it. So the first discs, I think there's 4 sets of 2 discs. The first 2 discs would be the original album remastered. I believe the mastering for the CD and the vinyl are different, so it should be interesting. I've heard that people say it's the same mastering as from that double CD set that came out with the complete album. We shall see. Yeah, so I mean that if you can't afford this, just grab the 2 CD set if you don't have it. It's a brilliant, brilliant album. Okay, the next, which is really exciting, is there's a bunch of other performances. So the second set of discs is from Manchester City Hall, Manchester, UK, July 29th, 1977. The third set of discs is from the Rainbow in London, August 2nd, 77. And the third disc is Lisner Auditorium, Washington, D.C., August 10th, 1977. I understand, I could be wrong, I think all 3 of those shows are just Little Feat, just the 5 members playing. The original album has Tower of Power horns on it, which sound fantastic. Just so excited. Okay, so let's open this baby up. there's what we get. Nice pictures of the band. A booklet. Waiting for Columbus was a long one, says Little Feat co-founder Bill Payne of the group's iconic live album. The journey didn't just start when we took the stage for those shows, and it didn't end when we walked off either. So kind of, I'm sure, background history and commentary on the album. There's a tape box. Great shot. Oh yeah, there's some great pictures. If you don't have this album in your collection, you're really missing something special. Full shot of the band. There's the Tower Power horns. It looks like a lot of reminiscences from Clayton and Briere or Barrere. I always mispronounce Paul's last name, and Bill Payne. So Sam Clayton, all original members. There's again a list of the songs and what have you. Little Feat, Lowell George, vocals, guitars, maracas, cowbell. Need more cowbell. Bill Payne, vocals, piano, electric piano, organ, synthesizer. Paul Barrere, B-A-R-R-E-R-E, Barrere, vocals and guitars. Kenny Gradney on bass. Richie Hayward, the great Richie Hayward on drums and percussion. Sam Clayton, congas, percussion, vocals, with the Tower Power horn section. Mick Taylor does a guest performance on guitar and Apolitical Blues. What else does it have? Your information. That's about it. There's the mastering and everything there, right there, if you're interested. Like I said, Bernie Grundman did the vinyl, but this was not done by Bernie Grundman. Mastered by Dan Hirsch and Bill Inglot at D2 Mastering. Okay, so now you pull out the CDs. Like I said, there are 4 double CDs. So there's the original album. Concert in its entirety, in order. There we go. Number 2, Waiting for Columbus, Little Feat, July 29th, 77, Manchester City Hall. I understand this is outstanding, this disc. So I am very excited to hear that. Number 2. Number 3, August 2nd, 77, The Rainbow in London. Wow, this is just a dream come true getting this release. And that everyone's raving about it just makes it all the more special. August 10th, 1977. I'm so surprised that my friend Jamie Cottle has not beat me to the punch on this one. Anyway, I'm going to spend my day with Little Feat. I don't know if you guys know how, I'm sure anybody who's a fan knows this, but if you're not too aware of the band and don't know anything about the history. Lowell George played with Frank Zappa for a while before he started this band, and they teased him that he had little feet, and when he started this band that was named Little Feet. So that's kind of where that all came from. Again, great album. Box set's around $100. I think yeah, I paid $102 Amazon.ca Canadian dollars. I think it's around $90, $95 on Amazon US. So it's not cheap, but man, you know, if you get good quality, you don't mind paying for it. That's my point. So everyone have a great day. I will upload this video. Well, you're watching it, you already know I did that. And then look forward to my country rock rankings coming up in the next day. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Take care.